Hello, this is my video for interactive concept presentation number 2 for Chemistry 2 at Doane University. So today we're going to be working on an iodine clock. So I've already pre-prepared the two solutions here, but I will go over what is in them as we kind of go through this. So I'm gonna first start by adding equal parts of both of these into one bowl, and then I'll kind of talk about it because the clock can take a little bit of time. So we're going to add some of solution B. Perfect. And then we're going to add solution A. You want to try and get equal parts on that. Okay. And now we wait. So I will show you what it looks like right now. It's pretty cloudy, honestly, which is a little unexpected. I did my best to filter it, but there is a chance that it didn't filter very well. So essentially what we just put into here. So solution A is going to be iodine and distilled water and vitamin C. And for that, I just took 2 of these tablets, crushed it up, put it in there, put the water on top of it, and then the iodine went in after that, after it had all filtered out and all that fun stuff. In solution B, it was cornstarch and hydrogen peroxide. So what we're looking for here is 2 colorless solutions that react together and become blue. Currently it's not changing color, and that can mean a couple different things. So it can mean that something was interfering with it, that I possibly didn't use, I didn't mix the solutions right. I do think that I put in too much hydrogen peroxide. Another thing that can happen is that if you are putting the iodine in your solution A and it's not disappearing, you don't have enough vitamin C. So that could be what's happening here as well. There's a couple different reactions that should be occurring. One of the biggest ones is an attempt to oxidize I2. So the attempt is to get it to be I minus or I negative, whatever you want to say. But the ascorbic acid is not allowing that to happen. The vitamin C is going to be used up, and that should be about when we start seeing the blue color starting to occur. Like I said, it's not really changing as far as I can see. I will show you what it's looking like. So still about the same. So something went wrong because it has been about a minute. Some of the things that you can do to try and speed up the reaction, I'm not going to do it since we're filming, but I'll talk about the options. You can try heating it up. Heating it will make the chemical reaction happen a little quicker. If you use cooler water or cooler temperatures, it could slow it down, which might also be why this is not happening as quickly as we would hope, or happening at all. I truly think that what probably happened here was I mixed the solutions incorrectly or didn't filter it enough. My filtering was not enough to get it to a perfectly clear level, which is ideal. So if you're trying this at home, try and filter as much as you can. But yeah, it's a pretty easy experiment. Doesn't require too much from around the house. I think if I try this again, I'd like to get better filtration and be more exact in what I am measuring out. But the concept of it is still really cool. A lot of cool different chemical reactions happening at once. It's kind of neat to have 2 colorless solutions become blue. And that does come from that oxidizing and kind of those complexes happening, taking over. So again, sorry this didn't work. It's still not blue 2 minutes later. If it doesn't work, try heating it up. You can also do that with solution B if the cornstarch is not heating up, and I did not do that part, so I probably should have. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the description of this. I'll kind of show you what's going on here. So this is the final solution. This is what's left of solution B. There was a little bit more of it than solution A. but just simple, easy ingredients. And do make sure when you're using this, you have to crush it up into a little powder. It's okay if there is some chunks, but you don't want too much. It does make the filtration later a little bit harder, but there is a little bit of color change, not as drastic as I would like to see, but I hope you enjoy this video anyways. We'll give it another go later and hopefully we'll get better results. But thanks for joining in.